Assalamu alaikum and others religion accept my gratitude and sincere love from core of my heart. And welcome back. Take you what make a sentence website once again. Which what I can take today? Yes, river. Bangladesh is river countries. Have a look. I'm standing near the river, and it's a. I showed you before. This river name is Shurma River, and I love too much river. That's why I'm making videos once again. And one of yes, person he's diving and upping in the pond. I'm really sorry in the river, and that's why I'm enjoying with him. And I love too much a river. As you know, I love to make videos and try to speak any place. That's why I'm showing you amazing place. And please write down something in the comment box how is looking this river and bridge and everything. And he's enjoying with, and at this time he's swimming. Yes, I'm enjoying with his because yeah, likable place in Sylhet. That's why I come again and again. And I don't, I know every person love a river. That's why I wanted to show you. And please, if you want to enjoy this place, you can come and enjoy with the river and water and with the breeze. An amazing area. Dear brothers and sisters, I'm learning. That's why I'm doing a lot of mistake. Please, never mind. Yes, I have to learn from mistake. That's why I try to speak every single day. And two brother, they are enjoying and taking shower. I'm also enjoying with him. And I wanted to take shower, but today is not possible for me. And have a look behind, crossing the bridge, one boat is really I'm enjoying too much. And please forgive me because I'm done lot of mistake, but I'm enjoying and I try to speak every single day and try to learn. That's why I'm making videos here. Yeah, it's a very enjoyable moment for me, and I don't know how much I gave you enjoy. Yes, yes, I told you before Bangladesh is a river countries. That's why we love too much a river. And do you know how to swim, my dear beloved brothers and sisters? If you know, write down in the comment box. And I know how to swim and how to cross the river by swim. If Almighty wants, I will make videos another day. And best wishes for everyone. Please pray for me.